Imagine a smartphone so innovative that it can fold 3 ways, and now it even supports a stylus. Huawei has just unveiled the Mate XTs, marking their second entry into the Trifold phone market. This latest model is now available for pre-order in China and brings a few notable enhancements to the table. For starters, the most exciting addition is the stylus compatibility, allowing users to draw and write directly on the device's 10.2-inch main screen. When folded, the display size reduces to 7.9 inches and 6.4 inches, making it more portable without sacrificing usability. While the display itself remains largely unchanged from its predecessor, the new model introduces a Kirin 9020 chipset, which promises better performance and efficiency. The camera setup has also seen an upgrade with a 40-megapixel ultrawide lens that should deliver sharper and more vivid photos. In terms of aesthetics, the Mate XTs offers a fresh palette of colors, including white and a striking purple, alongside the classic red and black options. All models come with a luxurious faux leather finish, adding a touch of elegance and durability. Priced at 17,999 Chinese yuan, approximately $2,520, the Mate XTs is slightly more affordable than its predecessor, which was tagged at 19,999 yuan, around $2,800. For those keeping track, the original Mate XT retailed for 3,499 euros, about $4,070 outside China. Despite the price drop, it's still a premium device, but one that might be worth the investment for tech enthusiasts and early adopters. When I reviewed the first Mate XT, I was genuinely impressed by its design and functionality, though the high price point was a clear drawback. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that the added features and lower price make the Mate XTs a better value proposition. What do you think? Is the price justified by the improvements? Huawei's second Trifold hits the market ahead of competitors, with Samsung rumored to be working on their own Trifold device. In addition to the Mate XTs, Huawei has also launched the MatePad Mini tablet, FreeBuds 7i earbuds, and a new Mate TV lineup. And this is the part most people miss. While the competition is still catching up, Huawei is already pushing the boundaries of what a Trifold phone can do. So, what do you think about the Mate XTs? Does the stylus support and new color options make it a must-have? Or is it still too expensive for the average consumer? Share your thoughts in the comments below.